welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be learning a TikTok dance. But what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna show a demonstration of the dance so you guys can see what it looks like, and then we'll break it down. And of course, if you guys like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. All right, guys, so for the first dance move, there is arms and footwork going at the same time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down the arms and then we'll add in the footwork. So I'm gonna be using my right hand. My right hand is gonna be up, but you don't have to have your right hand up. You could be using your left hand. So this is just the hand I'm using. I just wanna let you guys know, but you don't have to do that. So I have my right hand in a fist and my left hand in a fist, and I have my right hand up and my left hand is out. So it looks like this, but you can do it the opposite way. It really doesn't matter. So I'm here. Now from here, you're gonna bring it in and then switch. So now I have my left hand up and my right hand out. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do it 4 times, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Awesome, so we'll do it one more time and then we'll add in the footwork. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, it's out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, so for the footwork, you're gonna bring your feet out. So what I have here is I have my right leg slightly bent, but you can have the left leg if you're using your left. So I have my right leg slightly bent and then I have my left leg straight. So it looks like this. We're kind of doing like a bit of a lunge. So then you're gonna bring it in and then you're gonna do the other side. So you're gonna switch. Now I have my left leg slightly bent and then I have my right leg straight. So it goes out, in, out, in. And then we're gonna do it again, out, but this time, whatever leg is straight and not bent, you're gonna bring it in and that leg is gonna come up. So you're gonna lift it up. So again, whatever leg is straight, when you bring it in, you lift it up. And then you're gonna do it again. Bring it out. Now my right leg is straight. I'm gonna bring it in and lift it up. So the first two, we go out, in, then out, we bring the knee up, out, bring the knee up. Let's try it again, just the footwork. Ready, and out, in, out, lift it up, out, lift it up. Okay, so adding it in with the arms, we go out, in, out, up. Let's try it again. Ready, and out, lift it up, out, lift it up. Let's do it one more time and then we'll add on. Get yourself ready. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now for this next part, I noticed when I watched the TikTok dance, everybody does this move slightly different. They have their own style, own variation to it. So I'm gonna bring my own style to it. And if you guys wanna do something else, that's totally cool. Show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. So after we finish the out, in, you're gonna do 2 jumps. And they're like little jumps, nothing too crazy, just jump, jump. We jump, jump. So you're not jumping super high. It's a low, relaxed jump. Just jump, jump. So for the arms, I'm gonna have my elbows come out, just kind of like loose and relaxed, like out. And then the next jump, you're gonna bring your hands and you're gonna pinch your shirt, you're gonna lift it up, and then let go. So for the first jump, elbows out. And then the second jump, we pinch our shirt, let it go. So very loose, very relaxed, just taking it easy. So it's cool, cool. And that's it, just 2 little jumps. We go jump, elbows come out, and the next jump, we pinch our shirt, let go. So going from the top, adding in the new part, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jump. One more time from the top. Ready, and 1, 2, out, and jump, jump. Okay, you guys are doing awesome. next part. You bring one foot in front. For me, I'm going to have my right foot in front, and you're going to swivel your foot, and I'm bringing it out to my right. So you swivel it to the right, or if you're using the other foot, you swivel it to the left. Whichever way, doesn't matter, but you're swiveling it out. So we bring it out, and then you're going to do a little jump, and then you're going to bring the other foot out. So then I heel swivel my foot to my left. So I have my right foot in front, I bring it out to my right, and then we do a little jump. Now the other foot's in front, and then you do a heel swivel, and I'm bringing it out to my left. So I use my right foot, and then left foot, and I heel swivel to my right, and then heel swivel to my left. So as you do that, you have little jumps. It is kind of hard to do slow, so a little bit faster, it looks like this. So you swivel, swivel, and you have the jump, jump. Out of all the moves in this dance, I think I find this one the hardest. I don't know why, it's just swiveling the foot and jumping. Coordination, I don't know, it's hard. So just take your time if you're having a hard time with it. Just take it easy. Break it down. So you start with the heel swivel, and then you jump, heel swivel. So it's, we jump into this position, we heel swivel, then jump, heel swivel. And again, mine's going to my right, bringing it out to the right, and then left. And as far as arms go, you don't really have to do much with your arms. You just kind of do whatever you want. I have mine up, and I just kind of like twist, twist as I heel swivel. So I go, but you really can do whatever, you can do whatever you want. You can have them down on your hips. So let's go from the jump, jump. Okay, ready, and jump, jump, heel swivel, heel swivel. One more time from that same part. Ready, and jump, jump, heel swivel, heel swivel. Okay, going from the top of the dance. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jump, heel swivel, heel swivel. At the beginning of the dance, when we go out, and out, bring the knee up, then out, bring the knee up. For the last one, you don't want to bring it up too high, because right after that, you're going into your jumps. So you don't want to bring it up all the way, just bring it up a little bit, and then jump, jump. Let's do it one more time from the top, and then we will add on. Okay, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jump, heel swivel, heel swivel. Okay, so moving on, this next move, again, everyone has their own style variation to it, so if you want to add something else, or you want to change it up, and you don't like what I'm doing, by all means, go for it. So what I do is, I'm going to bring, I do like a little bit of a hit. So I hit hard. So I bring my elbow back, so it's like a hit, and then we roll. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm using my right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some people have their hand up and go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I prefer to do like a little bit of like a hit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your feet really don't do much. They just kind of stay in place. If you want to kind of add some steps in, by all means do that. But they don't do a whole lot. So it's just mainly arms for this part. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it really doesn't matter how many rolls you do. Just get as many rolls in as you can, because the music is kind of fast for that part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go from the jump, jump, that part. Ready, and jump, jump, heel swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, same part from the jump, jump, ready, and jump, jump, heel swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're at the very end. So there's only like 3 or 4 counts. So for this part, you just do freestyle. So whatever you guys want to do it. What I like to do for the last part, it's called, it's a dance term. It's called the jerk. So I have actually done like a tutorial for that particular move. I break it down very slow. So if you guys want to see a full tutorial for it, I will have that linked below. So check that out. But essentially what the jerk is you're just going to You jump forward with one foot, and then you step back. So jump forward, back, and because we only have like 3 or 4 counts, I only do like a couple of them. Just go jump, jump. So again, after we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, or however many counts there are. There's not much, and that's how it ends. Okay, so let's do the whole thing from the top, and we'll run it a couple times. Okay, get yourself ready. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jump. Heel swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time, full out. Get yourself ready. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jump. Heel swivel, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.